In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Gmail settings to default. If your inbox looks cluttered or something feels off after experimenting with layouts, returning to the default view is quick and refreshing. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, explain what each option does, and point out where you'll see the changes in real time. Start by opening Gmail and signing in, so you're looking at your inbox. Give yourself a moment to notice what seems different from the standard layout. Maybe the spacing looks tight, your inbox is split into panels, or categories and buttons aren't where you expect. This quick scan helps you recognize the before and after once you switch things back. Next, let's open the controls that affect layout and appearance. Look to the top right of your inbox and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. This panel lets you preview changes instantly, so you can confirm you're restoring the familiar default look as you go. You don't need to dig into every menu. The essentials are right here. In Quick Settings, restore the default visual style first. Under Density, choose Default. This resets the spacing around messages and icons to Gmail's standard, balanced look. As soon as you select it, you'll notice your message list breathe a little and buttons return to the expected sizing. That immediate preview is your confirmation you're back to the normal layout feel. Now make sure your inbox behaves the standard way. Under Inbox Type, choose Default. This puts you back on Gmail's classic inbox experience, which works well for most people and keeps the interface predictable. The message list should update straight away, and you'll typically see your primary inbox view stabilized. Finally, set your reading pane the way Gmail defaults it. Scroll down in Quick Settings to Reading Pane and select No Split. That returns your inbox to a single-column list, where messages open on their own page instead of side by side or below. If you prefer a split view, you can switch to right of inbox or below. But No Split is the clean, default choice that simplifies navigation. As you make each change, Gmail applies it automatically. There's nothing to save. Take a last look at your inbox to confirm the spacing, inbox type, and reading pane all match the default. And that's it. You've reset Gmail settings to the standard layout, making your inbox clearer, calmer, and easier to use moving forward.